Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix unable to install WhatsApp, please try again later problem in iPhone. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and then go to App Store and check if your Apple ID is logged in. If not, then log into your Apple ID and then go to settings. Now go to general. Now scroll down. Go to transfer or reset iPhone option. Now tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Now enter your phone passcode and then tap on reset network settings again. After reset your network settings, now restart your phone. After completing restart process, now open App Store and try to install or update WhatsApp and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.